Imagine having the freedom to work from anywhere while generating enough income from a YouTube channel to pay your bills and enjoy your life. Wouldn't that be sweet? In this video, you'll learn how to be a full-time YouTuber in 2022 or work towards that goal. You'll learn what it means to be a full-time YouTuber, how to determine how much money you need to make, ways you can make money from a YouTube channel, how to increase your income, and how to grow your YouTube channel fast. What does it mean to be a full-time YouTuber? For me, being a full-time YouTuber means I can be my own boss and have the freedom to work from anywhere at any time. It took me a few years to become a full-time YouTuber because I was a professional web designer before I started a YouTube channel. I had to figure out the ways to make a full-time income from YouTube so it could replace the income from being a professional web designer. It still means I need to put in the work to grow my channel, but if I want to take time off to go on vacation or travel, then I'll often batch script and batch film several videos in advance. This gives me the freedom and flexibility to enjoy my vacation while still generating income from my YouTube channel. How do you determine how much money you need to make? Add up the bills you need to pay each month and the extra income you need to live on. For example, if your total expenses come to $3,000 per month and you want an extra $2,000 to live on, then you need to make $5,000 from a YouTube channel. Here are the numbers to build a 100K per year business online. All you have to do is get 2,500 email subscribers, and if only 10% of them become customers who spend $400 per year, you'll have a 100K per year income. For example, you can offer a free report, free ebook, free cheat sheet on your video in exchange for viewers' contact information. As your channel grows, so will your email list, where you can recommend your products and services. Here are some of the ways that I make money from a YouTube channel. I generate thousands of dollars each year from a YouTube channel by placing AdSense ads on my videos. To achieve that, you need to be a member of the YouTube Partner Program and have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in the past 12 months. YouTube gets 45% of the ad revenue and you get 55%. If you create a video that's over 8 minutes long, you can place multiple ads throughout your video, but I only recommend placing 2 or 3 ads at the most so you don't turn off your viewers. Another way I make money on YouTube is through channel memberships. This is where channel members pay a small fee each month to support my channel and receive several perks, such as tips and tricks and live streams. If you want to support my channel and become a channel member, click the join button below this video. Another way I make money from YouTube is with branded content or creating a sponsored video for a company that wants me to promote their product. Typically, I get paid $500 to $1,000 per video and try to do a video series so I get paid each month from that same company. Brands want to expose their product to specific audiences, so I often get emails from companies to expose their product to my audience. If the product doesn't align with the interests of my audience or myself, then I usually reject the offer and move on. Only accept brand deals that help your audience. Click the link in the description to watch my video on how to monetize your YouTube channel in 2022. Another way to generate income from a YouTube channel is offering coaching services. I offer 1-hour coaching calls for creators that want me to review their channel and discuss ways to get more views and subscribers. Click the link in the description below to get more info. Another way I generate income from a YouTube channel is promoting affiliate programs related to the content on my channel. For example, I often promote the keyword research tool TubeBuddy because it helps creators find the correct keywords and save time managing their channels. I'll place a link to TubeBuddy in the description below this video. The beauty of promoting affiliate products on your channel is that you don't have to create the product or the marketing materials. All you have to do is promote the affiliate link and collect the commissions, which is often 50% or higher. When you promote multiple affiliate products, you can make a substantial amount of money. I still generate a consistent income from affiliate products that I reviewed several years ago. You do the work once and generate income week after week, year after year, as long as the video remains on your channel. Another way I generate revenue from a YouTube channel is creating my own products. For example, I created an ebook called TubeBootCamp that gives you the blueprint for growing and making money from a YouTube channel. I also have a YouTube membership course called Tube Video Bootcamp containing videos that show you how to grow, manage, and monetize your YouTube channel. I'll place links to the ebook and the course in the description below this video. How do you increase the income you make from YouTube? The secret is to create multiple streams of income instead of relying on one income source like AdSense ads. The ad revenue you receive from YouTube fluctuates a lot throughout the year, so it's not very dependable. Therefore, you need to have multiple streams of income to generate a consistent income every month from your channel. Even if you're a small channel with a small audience, I highly recommend creating one income stream right away. As your channel grows, you can add more income streams. Another way to increase your income over time is to save some of the money that you generated from your YouTube channel and place it in a retirement fund such as a Roth IRA. The big benefit of placing your money in a retirement fund is that you don't have to pay any tax when you take it out, and it builds up over time. If you continue to set aside a portion of earnings you make from YouTube and place it in a retirement fund, it'll give you a great peace of mind. Just keep in mind that stocks go up and down, so you have to make a long-term investment to benefit the most from it. Here are some tips to grow your YouTube channel so you can be a full-time YouTuber. Number 1, know your audience. Only create videos that your audience is interested in because the YouTube algorithm follows the audience. Number 2, create engaging videos. How long people watch your video or successive videos in a row is a huge ranking factor on YouTube. Keep an eye on your audience retention graph in YouTube Analytics to see where the dips and spikes occur during your video. When you make your next video, try to improve your audience retention. Number 3, create compelling titles and thumbnails. Your thumbnail and title is what viewers see first in the search engines, in suggested videos, or on the YouTube homepage. If you don't create a clickable thumbnail and a compelling title, then nobody will watch your video, and you'll have wasted all that time creating a video that no one is watching. YouTube says that the average click-through rate is between 2 and 10%, so try to aim for 10% or higher. If you increase the click-through rate and the watch time for your YouTube video, there's a higher probability that your video will be surfaced to more people on their watch pages. Number 4, interact with your viewers and subscribers in the comments. The more you know about your audience, the easier it'll be to create the right content for them. If you want YouTube to be a full-time job and make a consistent full-time income from it, you need to create a well thought out plan. Watch the video on the screen right now on how I plan and film my YouTube videos.